So you are trying to add someone into your Google Ads account, but you can't add them in for some reason because they don't have an authorized domain with you. I'm going to show you exactly how you can overcome that in this video. So on the left hand side here, we're going to go down to admin, and then we're going to go to access and security. And under here we have users, where you went through this process of trying to add someone, but it wouldn't work for some reason. The reason is you need to add their domain to the authorized domains in your Google Ads account. So if it's not at gmail.com domain, if it's something else like a business email address, then you need to add it in. So we want to go to the security here, and we want to go down to the bottom here where it says allowed domains, and we want to add a domain. So I'm going to add one just here, and then I'm going to re-add this person. So once I add this in here, we click save, and now when we go to users, we can click add, and we can put in the user email. Oh dear me. And then we just want to give them admin access or whatever access you want, and we send a request. And there you are. Now they have the request sent to them, they need to accept it via their email.